In chiropractic, we have a saying called as above, so below. So it is really the work that we do down below, the deep stuff, that really makes our health grow and shine. I'm Dr. Cindy Jakubiec, and my company is Anchored in Health. At Anchored in Health, we have chiropractic services, and that just isn't what we would call straight chiropractic. I practice diversified adjusting, but I also use applied kinesiology and bioenergetic synchronization techniques as well. We have massage therapy, acupuncture, and we also have functional medicine. We also have a thermographist who comes in quarterly to do thermography, breast, and full body scans. Bringing in all the different kinds of services that we offer really embodies the full meaning of true health. So doing all those things, bringing in as much natural, holistic medicine only improves the overall health of every individual patient who comes here. I believe in the triad of health, making sure that the structure of the human body is sound, which really embodies the chiropractic aspect. I also look at the biochemistry side, which is looking at the functional medicine. We're really sitting down, having long conversations about why you might not be feeling well, what has been going on, not just looking at surface stuff. We really want to find out what root causes are and make changes that have an impact. And then also taking and embodying the emotional and spiritual side that make us human. And with not addressing every single one of those aspects, we would just be missing the point.
I've been coming since it opened. I was a past client and I transferred over with her to come to Anchored in Health. Initially, I was having just some neck pain and back pain. And so that's why I initially started. But once I met Dr. Cindy, she was wonderful. So that's why I transferred with her.
I've been coming to see her for 14 years and he's been coming to see her since he was a newborn his whole life. I mean, the overall experience has been amazing. I see her on a weekly basis. I'm a 5th grade teacher. I've been teaching for 20 years. And people ask me, how do you have all the energy to still do this? How do you come into school and, work with these children with, the love and passion that you have? And seeing Dr. Cindy on a weekly basis is definitely a big piece to that.
I can feel the difference, sleeping better. I'm just overall feeling healthier. They're amazing here. So it feels like a family. It's not just chiropractic care, but like the conversations. It's almost like a therapy session with them as well.
So coming to see her, I play sports and getting injured playing the sports, and she helps heals me.
One word I would use is brave. I've seen Dr. Cindy for 14 years. My wife has. Evan has. He's 12. And then my 10-year-old son and my 14-year-old daughter also see her. She's a big piece to the health and wellness of our family.
I brought in functional medicine and I started learning functional medicine about 10 years ago. I didn't feel well and I was going to the doctor and nothing that they said was okay with me. They didn't give me answers. They just kind of brushed me off and dismissed me and told me to come back when I felt even worse. Coming from a place where I understand what it's like to be in pain physically and not knowing what's wrong with you, I had to open my doors and find something to allow all people to be seen and to be heard and to be understood and not brushed off and dismissed. You can reach out to us at 708-462-5113, and you can check us out online at drcindyjakubiec.com. You can also find us on Facebook at Dr. Cindy Jakubiec.